Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3-set info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your VIVO iQOO Neo 7. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings, and here we need to go over to the sound settings. So scroll down to sounds and vibration, and here make sure that your phone is in the ring mode and that everything here is more than 50% of its max volume. So now let's scroll down and make sure that the focus mode is disabled, so the do not disturb is disabled. And now what you guys can also do is clean the speaker and the headphone port. Not in this situation, but you can clean the charging port as the headphone port, because you can also use adapters. So you guys can clean either the charging port if you use something like an adapter, or simply clean the speaker grills. They are right here, right at the bottom of the phone. And now what you guys can also do is update the software to fix any audio glitches. So go over to the bottom of the settings, go to System Management and Upgrade, and here click System Update. As you guys can see, it will check for updates automatically, and as you guys can see, I'm running the latest version of my Origin OS. If you do too, then that's great. If you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it, because it can fix a lot of glitches, including the audio ones. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.